Welcome. If you're a Snapchat user who wants to make sure you never miss when someone adds you as a friend, enabling pop-up notifications for added you alerts is a game changer. These pop-ups appear right on your screen, so you can instantly see who's trying to connect with you without having to open the app. Let's walk through the updated steps to get this set up on your phone. First, start by opening your phone settings. This is usually an icon that looks like a gear and can be found on your home screen or app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This is where you'll manage all your application settings, including Snapchat. Next, scroll through the list of apps until you locate Snapchat and tap on it. This will take you to the app-specific settings where you can control its permissions, storage, and importantly, its notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification settings related to Snapchat. To customize the Added You notification specifically, look for and tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down notifications into different types based on their purpose. Under the Friends category, find the option called Added You and tap on it. This is the notification that alerts you whenever someone adds you on Snapchat. To ensure it pops up on your screen regardless of what you're doing, simply toggle on the option labeled Show as Pop-up. Once enabled, these notifications won't just appear silently or in the notification shade instead. They'll pop right up on your screen so you can see who added you immediately. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, going through phone settings to apps, Snapchat, then notifications, and toggling on Show as Pop-up for Added You, you'll never miss a friend request on Snapchat again. Give it a try and stay connected in real time with those new Snapchat friends. Thanks for watching.